We are going home, but the sun is there. Yeah, you see the skies. Oh, we are going to the barrio. You see that. Oh, you see the place we are driving. Ken is driving. It's nice. There are those are cow's food. Those are cow's food. Yeah, this is the corn. Corn. Pero ang corn nila dito ay matamis. But for yellow corn, they don't eat. Oh my God, it's very windy. It's so windy outside. Follow us. There is a yellow there. I don't know what's the yellow. See, they are living in the countryside, so we go home now from town. The wind is blowing. I'll show you my driver. Oh my God.